In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an About section on Patreon. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set it up, what to include, and how to make it clear and compelling for potential supporters. Start by logging into your Patreon account. Once you're in, head straight to your creator page. This is your public hub, the place visitors land when they're deciding whether to support your work. On that page, look for the Edit Page option. Clicking it opens the tools you need to shape how your creator profile looks and reads. Next, locate the About section. This is where your story lives and where you help people understand who you are, what you make, and why their support matters. Think of it as your elevator pitch with a bit more warmth and detail. Keep it approachable, honest, and easy to scan. Begin by introducing who you are. Share your role in simple terms and a short line on your mission or passion. This could be as straightforward as describing the type of creator you are and what drives your work. A touch of background or a notable milestone helps build credibility without overwhelming readers. Then explain what you create. Be specific about formats and frequency, like weekly videos, monthly illustrations, or ongoing research. Clarity helps people immediately understand what they can expect and why your work is worth following. Keep your tone consistent with your brand, friendly, professional, playful, or heartfelt, so your audience instantly feels at home. If you have an intro video, you can include the URL right in this section. A short, personable video that shows your face, your workspace, or your creative process can boost trust and connection. Make sure the link is correct and points to a clean, accessible video. Now outline what supporters will get. Spell out the benefits as clearly as possible, such as early access, behind-the-scenes updates, bonus content, polls, downloads, or community perks. This is where you turn interest into action, so focus on value and specificity. If you offer different tiers, summarize the kinds of rewards people can expect at various levels without listing every detail. Keep your about copy concise, friendly, and free of jargon. Aim for short paragraphs, use plain language, and end with a simple call to action inviting people to join and support your work. When you're happy with your About section, click Save. Give it a quick read to ensure everything looks good and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and good luck crafting an About section that converts visitors into proud supporters.